Are you struggling to calculate percentage in Excel? Let me guide you through finding the percentage, step by step, using a mark sheet example. Hey there, friends! Today, I'll walk you through how to find percentages. Using a mark sheet with 7 students, each appearing in 4 papers worth 100 marks each, totaling 400 marks. Start by selecting a column in your spreadsheet containing the marks for each student's papers. Apply the sum formula to calculate the total marks obtained by each student. Simply type equals to sum and then small bracket in the formula bar. Then select the first and last cell containing the marks for each student's papers and press enter. Now do this for all. Now that we have the total marks obtained by each student, let's move on to calculating the percentage. To calculate the percentage, we'll use the formula. Obtain marks / total marks multiply by 100. Apply it to all students and voila! You found the percentage of each student. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching and spending your time with me. Until next time, goodbye.